Well, turns out I was wrong about a few things on this lathe. The electrical's not screwed up. It was actually one of the clutches stuck in the gearbox. Because I was messing around, I noticed that at 560 and 900, the two highest ranges there, and nothing happened. When well, basically it felt like the spindle was in neutral, which it was. And I got to investigating, I took the cover off. And as you can see, now, motor spinning around freely. I got that powered up. I got 110 volts going into where it used to come off on the transformer. And for the control or the other clutch circuit, it was supposed to be 30 volts. Or somewhere about there. The rating on the clutches is 28. But I got 24 volts off of this rigged up on there now, so it's a bit of a mess, but it works. So now, as you just seen, the motor's going. If I come down here, spindle goes spinning away. If I come over, flick the high, it engages the high clutch and picks up, goes down. If I come over here, stop it, she slows down. Every now and then it's still sticking a little bit, dragging. If I put it in reverse, picks up and goes. When I first tried this, it really did not like reverse, where it was dragging so much and forward. It was basically fighting itself, but it's going now. And this still does nothing. And for whatever reason, there's a long delay when you turn it off reverse. Of course, made a liar of me that time. But it's working. Come on, stop. Speed her up one gear. Perfect. There you go. These are the power feeds, how it's supposed to work. I unbypassed that clutch, so now everything functions the way it's supposed to. Start her up. It's your spindle. Kick her in the low range if you want, and if you want to feed in or something, you press start. That's your feed. Start again. And I gotta do an adjustment on that limit switch because, as you can see, it passes by it but it doesn't kick it out. But if I reach in here, touch it, it stops. And any of them will do it, like this one here. Assuming this one too. Nope, that one never. Okay, that one got something going on with it. But that one works. An emergency stop, that's for the main contacts for the actual motor. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The forward clutch is still a little bit draggy. It doesn't like to stop. You put it in reverse and run it for a second. Then it stops. This button, I still don't know what that one does. It It's not doing it now, but usually it pulls in on that. Maybe it got to be running. Nope, not doing it now. Oh, hold on. I forget. Because I got that electric motor over there just on its own little feed, the motor contact actually doesn't do anything. But if that's on, yeah, there you go. Lose a little bit, but I don't know what the hell it does. And that's jog. And it probably won't stop now because, like I said, that clutch is dragging, but I got enough strength that I can stop it, so it's not that strong. Yeah, I'm pretty happy now. Everything works the way it's supposed to. So just got to figure out the way to actually get power to it, and we'll be in business. Well, everybody, I think I got this thing figured out a little bit more tonight. I thought I had it figured out last night, but apparently not. I was wrong on a few things. But it's a new lathe to me. I never operated it before. I never seen it run, and I don't mind admitting I was wrong. So at least now I know, and it's actually better for me the way it is now. I'm glad there's clutches in the gearbox because it makes it simpler for me with the motor. So that's pretty good in my opinion. So until I figure something else out with this, like this video, subscribe if you want to, and have a good one, everybody.